How to search for filters on TikTok Lite. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll show you how you can search for filters on TikTok Lite, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to search for filters on the TikTok Lite application, it is actually not possible, but there are a couple of things that you can instead do. Unlike the TikTok version, which is the main application that you have on Android, TikTok Lite has very limited features. That's why it is the Lite version. If you want the full version, you just have to download the TikTok main application. So on the TikTok Lite app, what you want to do is first of all go ahead and then open it, and of course maybe you're trying to post a photo or video, so let me also just go ahead and show you. And here you can see the button called effects, right? When you tap on the effects button on TikTok app, what happened was that you would be able to simply tap on the search icon somewhere over here in order to search for a specific effect or a filter that you want to use. But in this case you can see we do not have the search button, so what you can do is you can simply go ahead and then look for it within this application list right over here. So if you want a moon filter, then you can do that, sunset or sunrise filter, you can go ahead and then use that respectively. The other thing is, if you actually want to go ahead and search for filters, not effects but filters, tap on the filters icon over here, and here as well you can see we do not have the search button, so of course you have to go ahead and then make use with the ones by searching and browsing through them manually. So if you want to search for it, you have to use a full TikTok application. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.